Alright, this is just a video that's demonstrating the night vision capabilities on my camcorder that I got for my birthday. I'm just gonna walking around in my backyard. It's pretty good so far, the video quality. This is the same camcorder that I use for my Roblox driving videos. Trying to walk carefully here since there's not an adequate space in here. It's pretty good, I must say. It's the pergola and the patio. I think we're gonna go back inside now, and I will show you guys. I'll show you guys with the light, the night vision with the lights on. So yeah, this is what it looks like with the lights on. I can close the screen door here. You can pretty much see all that out there. So anyways, that's it.